Hello guys, this is Ravi Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will unbox Motorola RAZR. Yes, it's a new Motorola flip mobile. Let's check its unboxing details and their review and specifications. Let's go to unboxing here.
Hello guys, this is our Motorola RAZR box, full black color. This mobile come under two colors, Viva Magnet and Infinite Black, but our mobile is Infinite Black. It's a flat slim box of Motorola RAZR. There is a two sticker. I'll cut it out. Yes, one second. I'll cut these stickers. Now I'm opening the box. Yes, here is our mobile. There is a cautious mention on the wrapper over the mobile. Let's take it out our wrapper with mobile. Yes, now I am opening my wrapper. Yes, this is unstick rope wrapper. Yes, I open it. Yes, it is our mobile. This is wrapper. It's a black wrapper. I put it aside. Now I check my mobile. It's look like old Motorola flip mobile. Yes, look like same way. There is a back side, there is a screen, gorilla glass is there. Downside there is a thick plastic body. It's polycarbonate, or there is strip. When we flip it, it show strip. It's showing here, and this is pure magnetic glass. This means a gorilla glass back. Half body is gorilla glass, and little there is a rather thick surface. It's like a rough surface, or a Motorola logo is there. I am opening my mobile, turning on mobile. It's like simple. There is a look it helpful. A little bit gap is shows that there is a flipping area. The whole mobile is nice. About body light, I'll flip it. Then once I flip down close, they showing the Motorola logo on back side of the screen. It's a gorilla glass back. It's showing opening RAZR logo. It shows on two cameras are there, and there is a below little bit thickness is two shows power button, volume button in this side. Yes, there is a power button, volume button, and there is a fingerprint on this side. Yes, and below there is a flip strip. Yes, now I'm opening. Yes, hi there, it's showing, and it started. Little bit area shows that it is a flipping area. Yes, there is a fingerprint sensor here. Flip area shows. Now the mobile is started and shows that it started. Let's start. There is some setting. I started. Now I put my mobile aside and let's check inside. There is a box. What is apart from mobile? There is a accessory. Yes, there is a Type C wire. Yes, both sides are Type C, and there is a manual sir. Yes, these things are come under this mobile. Type C USB wire, manual, and handset. There is a no charging adapter is there in this unboxing. Yes, apart from mobile, now I'm talking about mobile body. The height of the mobile is 170.5 mm height, 73.9 mm width, 6.9 mm thickness of the mobile. Yes, apart from like screen, I'm talking about display. Bezel-less with punch hole display. Yes, 6.9 inches P OLED display, 1080 into 2640 pixel resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, pixel density 413 ppi, screen to body ratio 85.43%. Capacitive touchscreen with multi-touch. Front there is a 32 megapixel camera. Yes, wide angle camera. In that mobile is support HDR10 plus support, or 165 Hz refresh rate, or brightness of the mobile screen is 1400 nits. Talking about processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor, octa-core processor, architecture 64-bit, fabrication 4 nm, graphics Adreno 730, RAM 8GB. Yes, you will get RAM 8GB. In that screen I told you there is a caution written on cover of the mobile. Talking about back camera, dual camera on back side, 12 megapixel wide angle camera primary, OI plus secondary 13 megapixel wide angle camera, autofocus, OIS support, flash LED, dual video recording features is there. Talking about battery, 3800 mAh battery, lithium polymer non-removable battery, wireless charging support, quick charging support, turbo power 30 watts. There is a type of this mobile is USB type C. Talking about internal, 256 GB internal storage, non-expandable, storage type UFS 3.1, dual nano SIM support, GSM, 5G mobile, 4G support, VoLTE support is available. In this mobile you will get Bluetooth of 5.3, stereo speaker you will get, loudspeaker support, audio jack type C, audio feature Dolby Atmost audio feature is there. Fingerprint is side molded. The built-in material I already told you, back is a Gorilla Glass, waterproof, splash proof, IP52 or dust proof mobile is there. Is it? Hope you will get all information regarding this mobile. This mobile support Android OS V13, but it recently has released in India. Now it's available to buy. You can buy from Amazon or Flipkart. The link is given in the description. Hope you will get all information. If you have any doubt, please comment me. If you like this video, please like, share, support and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.